Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn the key to this side, and right here in this side you see this small button. Now you need to press this button here, and this way you can pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key out, take it, and when you turn the fob like this, with the buttons facing down, right here in this hole, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here and twist it and push a little bit, and this way you can lift this back piece and you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. So when you separate the fob into two pieces, you see this one and this one. Right here you will find your old dead battery like this, and is with the positive side facing down, so the visible side is with the negative side like this. Now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing down or the negative side facing up like this. Now when you place your new battery, the two pieces, now make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match, and snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take your mechanical key and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.